How to change your age on TikTok. If any day you just put a wrong age on your TikTok or you want to change your age on TikTok, just follow the following steps. First of all, you have to launch TikTok on your mobile device. To do so, tap on TikTok on your mobile device. After that, you have to go to the profile section on the down right. After that, you have to tap on the three lines on the top right and go to the settings and privacy. Now, one thing that you have to remember is there is not a direct option for you to change your age on TikTok by going to any settings and privacy. So therefore, you have to scroll down and you have to go to the option of report a problem. After going to the option of report a problem, now you have to just scroll down and go to the option of submit a report. After that, you have to tap on submit a report. After tapping on submit a report, you will see an interface like this. After you see an interface like this, now you have to write down the problem that you are facing. You have to write down that your age is not being changed on TikTok. And after you write down all of your problem and after you paste some evidence on that, your very legal evidence of your age, and go to the option of submit, now TikTok will receive your problem. And this way, your problem may be solved within 24 hours. Thank you for watching the video. And if you like our video, do not forget to subscribe our channel.